Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Bree if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my digital planner. So I skipped the very beginning. I accidentally deleted that footage, but here I am making crystals for the month of February because that is my somewhat theme. I'm making a mood tracker at the moment. So I freehanded a crystal shape. It's not the best, but you know, it will do. And I just copied and pasted 29, since this is a leap year. February has 29 days. And I just copied and pasted, and right here I'm just changing the color of the lines to make them blue, just because I feel like blue is just, they looked prettier in blue. And here I am just picking my colors to go for my moods. I keep my moods pretty simple because they're really not that complicated. Like, I know what kind of mood I'm in if I'm in a mood. So yeah, I'm just filling out the moods, and this is my mood tracker for the month. Super simple. It was super easy to make, and yeah. Alright, for my next tracker, I'm going in and I'm copying the February month from my yearly log, and I'm going to paste that 6 different times to make a monthly habit tracker. I have enough room for 6, but I personally only filled out 5. It's a super easy spread, and for me it's a lot easier to keep track of than a chart. So yeah. So above each of the February months, I just write what I want to track, such as study Korean, work out, my hair routine, which is trash right now, so I'm trying to do better with it. But I'm just trying to, you know, keep track of those little things. And like I said, it's easier for me to see them separately than to put them on one big chart. Alrighty, so on my next blank page, I am going in and I'm trying to figure out a layout for my weekly spread. This actually took me the longest time because I didn't know exactly how I wanted to do it. And even now I'm not like completely satisfied with it, so definitely next week will look different for me. But I did decide to go with a simple box spread. I just did 7 boxes for the days of the week. My week starts on Sunday, so that's what I started with. You guys will end up seeing that. There you go. And I just posted a lot of different digital stickers that I found online. As you can see, I had crystals and I really wanted to use them, but I didn't like the way they looked with the box spreads. So I deleted all those, but I have, you know, my work stickers and then my workout stickers, which I really like the way that those came out. And then I have just a couple little other stickers that I threw down that you guys will see a little bit more at the end when I do a little flip through. Alright, so at this point I am now starting to fill in what I need to fill in. I did bring a little sticky note in from my sticker page, or my sticker book I should say, and I'm just writing things in that I kind of want to keep track of, like cleaning after the day that I came back from travel, unpacking, laundry, all those kind of things. I am now officially filling them in. I think at this point I filled in the time that I have to go to work. You know, it's just little things that I want to keep track of and that I know are for sure going to happen right now. And then as the week progresses, I write more and more in my journal. Alrighty, so the last thing I'm writing here is to journal at some point this week. I did start a K-pop digital journal, and I've only written one thing in it, but I do want to write more. And I also want to start a regular digital journal, so I wanted to make sure that I had that written down. And now I'm just adding stickers to, you know, make it a little bit more crowded. Alrighty, here's a very quick flip through, and I'm actually going through and showing you guys that I did go back and changed up the monthly habits and the mood tracker just a little bit. I actually went through and started to fill some things in, but yeah, it's just some really quick changes. Alrighty guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'm new to digital planning, so if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and have a great day. Bye.